How to join admin server in Steal A Brainrot Roblox. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to join an admin server in Steal Brain Roblox. So if you want to play in a server with admin access, follow along step by step to get in. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Roblox website on your phone or PC and search for Steal Brain Roblox under Experiences. Tap or click on Steal A Brainrot to open Games page. Once you're on the Games page, go to the Servers tab. Here's the easy part. If any of your friends already have admin access, you'll be able to find them in the Other Servers list, or at the top if they're your friends. If they have a private server, that's actually an admin server. Just click Join, and you're in. But what if you don't have friends with admin access? No problem. Scroll through the servers and keep an eye out for avatars you recognize. You can also click on the ascending filter to sort the servers. Once you find one, just click Join and you'll be in their admin server. And that's it. Now you know how to join an admin server in Steal Brain Roblox. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.